and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today I'm going to use for the first time the Ooni 12-inch perforated pizza peel. I'm going to use it to slide, turn and retrieve my pizza from the Ooni Koda. Let's get the pizza ready, then I'll unpack that peel. Okay, so I've made my cheese pizza and I'm going to now open up this peel and get this kind of like how big this is. 12-inch. That's a lot of peel space, and normally my peel is 7 inches at the top, so that's how it fits in there. You can see the size of it in there. I'm not going to get it hot because I need to put it on my lap. The weather today isn't great. The air temperature is about 8 to 9 degrees. There's a bit of wind going on here. You can see the gas blowing at the back of the oven there, but it's okay. It's not too bad. So I'm going to hit my pizza, blow off the excess, and then check for movability. It's moving, that's always a good sign. Okay, this is ready to go in. Put it in. All right, now you must forgive me if this is all a bit jittery, but I have to film with my left hand and I have to turn with my right. So I'm normally turning in the oven using a turning peel, so I have to do this with my hand. And I haven't done this in a very long time with a camera in my hand as well. So forgive me if this all is a bit. I think this is the reason why I use a turning peel and not one of these, because but for those of you who prefer to do this sort of turning, pulling it out and putting it in. This is a very nice turning peel, I have to say. Very sharp peel, sorry. It's very sharp, gets under the pizza very nicely, and it's easy to pull in and out. It's easy to manage with both hands. But with one hand is a bit of a mare, but you won't be doing this with one hand, so it'll be good for everyone else to use who doesn't need to use the other hand for filming, so that's cool. Just a little bit more at the top and this pizza's done. And the wind is blowing up. Yeah, done. Using my new 12-inch peel. So my views on this peel are, I love the weight on it. It's very big, it's a lot bigger than I'm used to using for pizza peels. I usually use a 7-inch turning peel, and this is 12 inches and it nearly fits, if you can see here, that the whole width of this oven and the depth. So I'll put it right in, and so that's nearly the size of the stone in the Koda and the Ooni 3, and that fits it. So you're not going to lose your pizza in there using this. This thing will get it out for you, and you will find that it's very easy to lift your pizza with it to bring it out of the oven, because it's got a very nice sharp edge there and it cuts under the pizza very well, I think. It's got a surface that's easy to, it's a non-sticky surface for your pizza, especially when it's not cooked, for you to maneuver it out of the oven and for you to turn it with your hands. I personally feel that this peel, it would be great for people who don't want to turn inside the oven and would prefer to pull the pizza out to turn the pizza. I don't do that. I won't be using this in my videos because, as you could see from my video, you need 2 hands to use this, and most of you who will be making pizza will have both your hands to do that, and I film with my left, so this would be impossible for me to film pizzas with, and that's why I started using a turning peel. It's got a really nice handle, it's got a nice grip on it. I feel like I'm not going to burn my hands or anywhere my hands are nowhere near the oven when I use it. It's pretty much well away from the outside of the oven, and it's got a nice weight. It's not too heavy for me. I don't like heavy peels. I find them cumbersome. I want them to be as light as possible, and this one is, and it's got a lovely balance to it, so I'm not feeling like this end, the top bit is like trying to pull down all the time when I'm maneuvering it, so it's got a nice weight to it. And I like the perforations as well. I think that's really good when you're trying to get your pizza all the time. That does help all of those little bits go through and off the base of your pizza. So all in all, this is a very nice peel, and it'll fit your oven and lots of other ovens. If you've got any other type of ovens, you can use it for those. Yeah, it looks nice and easy to clean. Got a nice sharp edge to it. I'll be using it for personal use when I've got both hands available, and my family will be using this peel because they don't turn in the oven. They prefer to turn like this. So yeah, great, lovely job. Give that bit a try. So this is 24-hour room-proofed Blue Caputo Pizzeria soft grain flour, and the gas stone temperature in the middle was about 440 degrees centigrade. know. Could have got it a bit thinner. Very nice.